Most people get this wrong. They think personal loans are all the same. But the surprising truth is that PNC offers competitive rates, flexible repayment options, and a smooth online application that many borrowers overlook. PNC personal loans can be used for debt consolidation, home improvements, major purchases, or unexpected expenses. You won't believe what happens next. The approval process is fast, and you can see your potential rate online before applying, which helps avoid surprises. Applying is simple. Log into your PNC account or start as a new user. Enter the loan amount and purpose, then provide basic personal and financial information. PNC performs a soft credit check for pre-qualification, so your score won't be affected until you formally apply. Once approved, funds are typically deposited quickly, sometimes within a day or two. One advantage of PNC is flexible repayment terms, ranging from 12 to 60 months, depending on your credit profile. This allows you to select a monthly payment that fits your budget. The platform also offers automatic payments, which can help you avoid late fees and build credit. There are some downsides. Rates vary based on credit worthiness, so borrowers with lower scores may face higher interest. There's also a $200 minimum loan amount, which may not suit very small funding needs. In conclusion, PNC personal loans are a solid choice for borrowers seeking a reliable, fast, and transparent lending experience. If you want flexible terms, quick access to funds, and an easy online process, it's worth considering. Subscribe for more honest financial product reviews to make informed decisions before applying.